award our first runner-ups. And we call on Ms. Rochelle Yasis, one of our judges, and also Mr. Navi Pirzai, Mr. Dentistry of 2012, and Ms. Trisha Patanao, Miss Olympics of 2012.
And to announce our Mr. and Miss MCU Olympics 2013 first runner-up. Let's start with the male candidate. Okay. Our Mr. MCU Olympics first runner-up comes from the college of... What college, people? What college? Comes from the College of Dentistry! And together with him, let's call on our Miss MCU Olympics 2030 first runner-up. Our Miss MCU 2030 comes from the College of... College of what, people? College of what? From the College of Physical Therapy.
The first runner-ups will be awarded by Mr. and Miss MCU Olympics. First runner-up will receive one broadband stick globe. Miss MCU Olympics first runner-up will receive one broadband stick globe. Mr. MC Olympics first runner-up will receive one broadband stick globe, and Miss MC Olympics first runner-up will also receive one broadband stick from the globe.
Again, we present you our Mr. and Miss MCU Olympics 2013 first runner-up. The College of Dentistry and College of Physical Therapy. Congratulations, guys.
To award our champions, the matchweight champions, may we call our Miss Unified Miss, one of our judges, Mr. Gideon Herrera, and Miss Dana Rockwell.